Are you looking for the best window air conditioner to stay cool and comfortable all summer long? Whether you need an affordable unit for a small bedroom, a powerful AC for your living room, or an energy-efficient model that keeps electricity bills under control, choosing the right window air conditioner can make a huge difference. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best window air conditioners you can buy right now. We selected these models based on their cooling performance, energy efficiency, noise level, ease of installation, features, reliability, customer reviews, and overall value for money. From budget-friendly options for compact spaces to feature-packed models with remote controls and energy-saving modes, there's an ideal choice here for every room and every budget. As always, you'll find the links to all the products mentioned in the description below. So let's get started and discover the best 5 window air conditioners available today. Number 5. Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is an excellent budget-friendly option for cooling small rooms without spending a fortune. Designed for spaces up to 150 square feet, it's ideal for bedrooms, dorm rooms, home offices, and small apartments. This compact unit offers cooling and fan-only modes, allowing you to stay comfortable throughout the warmer months. With 7 temperature settings, 2 fan speeds, and 2-way adjustable airflow, it's easy to customize the cooling to your preference. The washable air filter helps trap dust and allergens while making maintenance quick and simple. Operating at just 56 decibels, it also delivers quiet performance that's perfect for sleeping or working. Pros: affordable and great value for small rooms. 5,000 BTU cooling capacity for spaces up to 150 square feet. Quiet operation at only 56 decibels. 7 temperature settings for precise cooling. 2 cooling speeds and fan-only mode. Washable, reusable air filter for easy maintenance. Includes adjustable window installation kit. Simple mechanical controls are easy to use. Cons: suitable only for small rooms. No remote control included. No Wi-Fi or smart home connectivity. Mechanical controls instead of a digital display. Final verdict: the Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is one of the best budget window AC units for cooling small spaces. It delivers reliable performance, quiet operation, easy maintenance, and simple installation at an affordable price. If you're looking for an inexpensive air conditioner for a bedroom, office, or dorm room, this model offers excellent value and dependable everyday cooling. Number 4. LG 8000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The LG 8000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is an excellent choice for medium-sized rooms, offering a great balance of cooling performance, quiet operation, and user-friendly features. Designed to cool spaces up to 340 square feet, it's ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, and home offices. With 3 cooling speeds, 3 fan speeds, and an energy saver mode, it delivers customizable comfort while helping reduce energy consumption. The included remote control, electronic controls, and 24-hour programmable timer make daily operations simple and convenient. Plus, LG's Goldfin anti-corrosion coating helps protect the unit for long-lasting performance. Pros: powerful 8000 BTU cooling for rooms up to 340 square feet. Quiet operation as low as 53 decibels. Includes convenient remote control. 3 cooling speeds and 3 fan speeds. Energy saver mode helps reduce electricity usage. Auto restore settings after power outages. Washable, reusable air filter for easy maintenance. Durable Goldfin anti-corrosion coating extends lifespan. Cons: not an inverter air conditioner. No Wi-Fi or smart home connectivity. Slightly heavier than smaller window AC units. Digital display is fairly basic. Final verdict: the LG 8000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is one of the best mid-size window AC units for anyone looking for dependable cooling, quiet performance, and user-friendly operation. Its strong cooling capacity, energy-saving features, remote control, and durable construction make it an excellent choice for bedrooms, apartments, and living spaces. If you need reliable cooling for a medium-sized room at a reasonable price, the LG 8000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is a fantastic option. Number 3. Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Window Air Conditioner. The Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Window Air Conditioner is one of the most popular budget window AC units for cooling small spaces efficiently and affordably. Designed for rooms up to 150 square feet, it's perfect for bedrooms, dorm rooms, home offices, and small apartments. With 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling speeds, 2 fan-only modes, and 2-way adjustable airflow, it delivers customizable comfort throughout the summer. Its washable, reusable air filter makes maintenance quick and easy, while the energy-efficient CEER rating of 11.0 helps reduce electricity costs. Best of all, it operates quietly and installs easily using the included window mounting kit. Pros: efficient 5000 BTU cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. Energy-efficient operation helps lower electricity costs. 7 temperature settings for customized comfort. 2 cooling speeds and 2 fan-only modes. Washable and reusable air filter for easy maintenance. Simple mechanical controls are reliable and easy to use. Quick installation with included mounting hardware. Excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. Cons: no remote control included. No smart Wi-Fi connectivity. Mechanical controls instead of a digital display. Best suited only for small rooms. Final verdict:
The Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool window air conditioner is one of the best budget window air conditioners for small rooms. It combines reliable cooling performance, energy efficiency, quiet operation, and simple controls in an affordable package. If you need dependable cooling for a bedroom, dorm, or home office without spending a lot of money, the Midea EasyCool 5000 BTU is an outstanding choice.
Number 2. GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is an excellent budget-friendly cooling solution designed for bedrooms, dorm rooms, home offices, and other small spaces up to 150 square feet. Delivering reliable 5000 BTU cooling power, it features 10 temperature settings, 2 cooling modes, 2 fan speeds, and simple mechanical controls that are easy for anyone to use. Operating as quietly as 52 dBA on low speed, it's ideal for sleeping or working without distractions. Its 440-watt power consumption helps keep energy costs low, while the washable, reusable air filter reduces maintenance expenses. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included Easy Mount Kit, making it a hassle-free option for renters and homeowners alike. Pros: efficient 5000 BTU cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. Quiet operation as low as 52 dBA for bedrooms and offices. Energy efficient 440-watt power consumption, 10 temperature settings for precise comfort control, 2 cooling modes and 2 fan speeds. Washable, reusable air filter for easy maintenance. Auto restart restores previous settings after power outages. Easy DIY installation with included Easy Mount Kit. Cons: no remote control included. No Wi-Fi or smart home connectivity. Mechanical controls instead of a digital display. Designed only for small rooms. Final verdict: the GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is one of the best affordable window AC units for cooling small spaces. It combines dependable performance, quiet operation, low energy consumption, and simple maintenance in a compact design that's easy to install. If you're looking for reliable cooling for a bedroom, dorm, apartment, or home office without paying for extra smart features, the GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is an excellent value. Number 1. Frigidaire 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The Frigidaire 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner earns the top spot thanks to its excellent balance of cooling performance, quiet operation, energy-saving features, and everyday convenience. Designed for rooms up to 150 square feet, it delivers consistent cooling with 3 fan speeds, 6-way directional airflow, and customizable temperature controls for personalized comfort. Unlike many entry-level window AC units, it includes a full-function remote control, 24-hour programmable timer, eco mode, sleep mode, and dry mode for added efficiency and comfort. Operating at just 52 dBA, it's quiet enough for bedrooms, home offices, and dorm rooms, while the washable filter and clean filter alert make maintenance quick and easy. Overall, it offers premium features at an affordable price, making it one of the best small window air conditioners available today. Pros: powerful 5000 BTU cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. Quiet 52 dBA operation, ideal for bedrooms and offices. Convenient remote control included. Eco mode and sleep mode help reduce energy consumption. 24-hour programmable timer for automatic operation. Dry mode removes excess humidity for added comfort. Washable filter with clean filter reminder. 6-way adjustable airflow for better room coverage. Cons: suitable only for smaller rooms up to 150 square feet. No Wi-Fi or smart home connectivity. Mechanical compressor can be slightly noticeable during startup. Not an inverter model. Final verdict: the Frigidaire 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is the best overall choice for anyone looking to cool a small room efficiently without paying a fortune. Its combination of quiet performance, remote control convenience, energy-saving eco mode, sleep mode, and easy maintenance gives it a clear advantage over many competitors in this price range. Whether you're cooling a bedroom, apartment, dorm room, or home office, this unit delivers reliable comfort, excellent value, and user-friendly features that make it one of the best window air conditioners you can buy.